I'll be touching base on the proper adjustment for a bar chain. Take the slack out of the chain by adjusting this front roller toward the front of the machine. The way to do that is there's a pusher rod right here, and if you adjust that rod out, it pushes this shaft forward, but just on this side. Okay, on the other side, there's another pusher rod that adjusts the bearing out on that side. And it's pretty important when you adjust this thing to measure from the front of the bearing to the end of the rail and keep that distance the same on both sides. So you want to adjust that front roller parallel as it comes out. And when you're looking for the proper chain tension, you look for about 2 foot back inside the spreader itself. There's a cross channel that the chain runs right over top of. You can see it on that other side over there. What you're looking for is adjusting this front roller out until there's 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch gap in between that chain and the top of that cross channel. Now there's more cross channels back in this machine that the belly of this chain is supposed to drag on. You only want that gap on the very front. And it's real important to keep the shaft parallel as you adjust the slack out of that. And if the gap in between the chain and that first cross channel ends up a little bit different on one side than the other, that's fine. You just need to keep the front roller parallel.